Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Just want to bring you something I just picked up for the 2024 Honda CR-V that I think you guys really like. I wish this came stock in the car. It's not expensive, but it makes a huge difference keeping things organized in here. They make them for almost every make and model. So if you notice the center console here, just a big empty spot, which I never like because you put stuff in here and it just gets buried and it's hard to get things out. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up that I think you guys really like. So I've put these in almost every car that I've had. It's these center console trays. And like I said, they make them for almost every make and model vehicle. Sometimes it takes a little while for them to make one if it's a redesign, but they're quick about getting the Honda products out. So you get this tray here and you get the little rubber inserts that go in it. Really basic design, but it does a really good job of keeping this a little bit more organized. So you can put the things you don't use on the bottom and then put the things in the tray that you use more frequently. So here's what it looks like with everything put together. The little inserts are really nice. So if you spill something, you can just take them off and wash them off. Really easy to do. And like I said, they're custom made for each car, so they fit right in. Everything still works just like it does. Has plenty of support. The lid shuts fine. And you have different size here. And then like I said, you can just pull this out. And there's a cutout there. So not sure if some of the CR-Vs have a power outlet in the center console. This one doesn't, but I would think some higher trims probably do. It seems kind of like something's missing. So let me know in the comment section if you know if they do have any power outlets in the 2024 CR-V. But really nice fit. Like I said, I always like this because you can put coins, just whatever you have here, instead of just throwing them in the big bin or throwing them over here. Just makes more sense to have them in the console right there, and then you can just lift the tray out to get something underneath. And I always put like the wheel locks underneath, things you don't use that frequently, and that would also keep things from rattling around as well, driving you crazy. So the seller offers this on eBay and Amazon, so depending on how you want to buy it, I'll put both links in the description. I think you guys really like it. It comes in really handy, and like I said, if you have a different make and model, I'm sure they make them for that too, so just check the listing out. So again, nothing too exciting on this one, but like I said, it's these small things that make a big difference, at least in my experience. I always like I said, I like picking these up because it just keeps things nice and organized and ultimately keeps your car a little bit cleaner. So again, if you're interested in that, definitely check the description out, guys. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Helps me out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.